All right, this is going to be our final problem here for Module 4. We've got Dovra is a ski instructor looking for employment in the Oregon mountains. He has received a full-time job offers from two ski lodges and must choose between them. The two jobs seem equally attractive, so Dovra wants to choose the lodge which will pay him the higher compensation. Running Elk Lodge, so let's put Running Elk here, offers a wage of $8 per hour per 40-hour week plus 30% of the fees paid by walk-on pupils desiring private lessons plus 40% of fees from pupils who specifically request a private lesson from Dover. Blustery Ridge, so we'll put them here, offers a wage of only $6 per hour plus 25% of walk-on private lesson fees and 45% of the request private lesson fees and 50% of fees paid by walk-on groups. Both lodges charge skiers $50 for private lessons and $100 for five-person group lessons. Dover's previous experience leads him to expect a weekly volume of 15 walk-on privates, 6 request privates, and 20 walk-on groups. Which job should Dover accept? So we've got the hourly wage is 40 times 8 for Running Elk and 40 times 6 for the lodge. Is 320 and 240 there. Okay. 15 walk-on privates. Running Elk gives 30%. So that will be $50 per private lesson times 0.3 times 15. And that equals $225. Whereas the Blustery Ridge, 25% of walk-on private lesson fees. So here we're going to have 50 times 0.25 times 15 is $187.50. Okay. 6 request privates. And Running Elk pays 40% of that. So that would be 50 times 40 times 6. Be $120. And for Blustery Ridge, we would have 50 times 45% times 6 is $135. And finally, 20 walk-on groups. Um, and I don't think running elk pays him anything for walk-on groups, right? 30% of fees paid by walk-on fees, 40% of fees paid specific private lessons. Okay, yeah, so nothing for the walk-on groups. So Blustery Ridge is going to pay him 15% of the walk-on groups, and those are $100 times 0.15, and there are about 20 of those. So is 300. And so we just add these up. 320, 225, 120 is 665 per week. Here we get 240, 187.50, 135. It'd be 862.50 a week. So it looks to me like much better for him to go with Blustery Ridge. All right.